Have you ever wondered about your current fitness level? Knowing where we stand physically is crucial to setting realistic fitness goals. It's like using a GPS. You need to know your starting point to map out your journey effectively. So let's take a moment to assess our physical condition. There are several ways to gauge your fitness level. One common method is the body mass index, which gives a rough idea of whether you're in a healthy weight range for your height. Another important indicator is your heart rate, especially how quickly it returns to normal after exercise. This gives an insight into your cardiovascular fitness. Strength and flexibility are also key components of overall fitness. You might want to consider how many push-ups you can do in a row or how far you can reach forward while seated. Remember, everyone's starting point is different, so don't compare yourself to others. Understanding your fitness level is the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Now that you've assessed your fitness level, what's next? Well, the journey towards a fit and healthy lifestyle is all about setting realistic and achievable goals. Not too easy, not too hard, just right. Like Goldilocks and her porridge. Here's a handy acronym to remember: SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Set a specific goal. Instead of, I want to get fit, try, I want to run 5 miles without stopping. Make it measurable with clear benchmarks. Ensure it's achievable within your current fitness level. It should be relevant to your overall health and wellness objectives. And finally, give it a time-bound deadline to keep you motivated and focused. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes patience and consistency to meet fitness goals. Don't be discouraged by slow progress. Every step you take is a step closer to a healthier you. Remember, the journey towards a healthy lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. So, you've set your fitness goals. How do you get started? Well, the first step to implementing an effective fitness routine is to ensure you're combining cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Cardio, the heart-pumping, sweat-inducing workout, is the cornerstone of any fitness routine. Perfect for burning calories and improving overall cardiovascular health. Strength training, on the other hand, helps build muscle and boost metabolism, while flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates can aid in injury prevention and enhance your range of motion. Remember, it's okay to start small. If you're new to exercise or returning after a hiatus, it's crucial to gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's not about how much you do on day one, but rather about developing consistency over time. And remember, patience is key. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. So keep at it, and soon enough, you'll see results. A well-rounded fitness routine is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. But what about nutrition and hydration? Indeed, the role they play in our fitness journey is pivotal. Picture your body as a high-performance machine. To function optimally, it needs the right fuel. That's where a balanced diet comes in. Consuming a variety of nutrients from wholesome foods can provide the energy you need to power through workouts and facilitate recovery afterwards. Proteins, for instance, are essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. Carbohydrates provide that quick energy source, while fats are vital for longer, less intense workouts. And let's not forget vitamins and minerals, the unsung heroes playing a multitude of roles in our bodies. Now, imagine running that machine without adequate coolant. It would overheat, right? The same principle applies to our bodies. Staying hydrated, especially during workouts, helps maintain optimal body temperature and lubricates our joints, preventing overheating and injury. In essence, proper nutrition and hydration can significantly enhance your fitness performance and recovery. You're all set to start your fitness journey, but how do you stay motivated? Well, there are many ways to keep the fire burning. One of them is by tracking your progress. Seeing your improvements, no matter how small, can boost your morale and keep you going. It's like a pat on the back, a silent cheer that says, well done, keep going. Finding a workout buddy can also help. They not only make your workouts more fun, but also hold you accountable. It's harder to skip a workout when you know someone is waiting for you. And let's not forget about changing up your workouts. Variety is the spice of life after all. Keeping your workouts diverse and exciting can prevent boredom and keep you looking forward to your next session. But remember, progress may be slow, and that's okay. Consistency is key. Every step you take towards your fitness goals is a step towards a healthier lifestyle. And as you take these steps, we'll be here, providing you with more fitness tips and advice. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember, every step you take towards your fitness goals is a step towards a healthier lifestyle.